Hello. Happy Friday. Hi, everybody. This is Sarah at Not Another Hat coming to you for our Friday lunch chat. And I've got some fun stuff to talk about and a really fun little experiment we're going to do. And guess what? Giveaways. Who forgot to do a giveaway on Tuesday after writing that she was doing that in her live show? This girl. So we're going to do 2 giveaways today, as a matter of fact. I'm sorry about that. It's hard for me to stay on task, you guys. And all it takes is like a 30-second window for me to lose my train of thought about everything. So, hi. Hello, Jen, Nydia, Sandra. Hi, Shannon. I'm such a doofus. Okay. So I am going to do 2 giveaways today, and they will be later in the video. But in the meantime, if you want to be considered for one of the giveaways to win a prize, just comment at some point throughout the video so that basically what I'm going to do is just a big random scroll with my eyes closed. And when the scrolling stops, wherever my mouse pointer is, that'll be the winners. So if you just, pop a comment or 2 in along the way, that's all you got to do to participate. And I will not forget, because now I've talked about it and you all will remind me before we adjourn the video. Julia's not here to help because she's working out front. Jill is on a much deserved vacation. Yay! She got to go see her mama. You're wearing your soundtrack too, Erica. That is so cool. Thank you. That is awesome. Oh, Christy, thank you. She says she likes my Feederbrook soundtrack. Christy is who we have to thank for the idea of doing Feederbrook for the soundtrack. So thank you, Christy. This is my second soundtrack. My base yarn is Woolstock. Idea about using the Feederbrook for the contrast color. I wanted to do that so bad. And in hindsight, I wish I had made this one in Scout just to have used a different yarn. And I think it would have been beautiful. I love Scout. I've done sweaters in Scout. It's one of my desert island yarns. But this is great too. I love the Woolstock. That yarn is just cannot be beat. I mean, it really could be a desert island yarn, but I think the whole point of desert island yarns is that you're not allowed to have all the yarn. I don't know. Are there can be in your desert island list? Nydia, I'm sorry it's not sweater weather there. It's barely sweater weather here. I mean, we're getting some cool mornings. I think it counts. But just now I was winding yarns for the yarn tasting because we are working on assembling those boxes. And I was standing right in the sunny window and I was definitely too warm. So, it's that transitional weather where it's like cool enough in the morning for a sweater and then killer in the afternoon. But yeah, apologies on the giveaway. If you missed the early first couple minutes, just make sure you comment sometime here along our video. And at the end, when I do the giveaways, I'll scroll through the comments to choose our winners. So today is the 8th, which means it is the kickoff of the Westknits Mystery Knit Along Shawlography. And I know a lot. I'm going to show you the kits we have left in case anyone wants to hop in. It's definitely not too late. We would ship it to you today if you wanted to order, and it goes priority mail. So it'd be to you depending on where you are, Saturday, Monday. So definitely not too late to jump in the fun. I'm going to do it too, but I switched up and I actually ended up choosing colors out of the Smooshie with Cashmere because those fall colors came in and I got smitten, smitten with those fall colors. I'll show you mine first, and then I will show you the kits that we've got left, just in case you guys, anybody wants to get one. I'm just going to put a link to my Ravelry on this. If you're looking for these colors that I'm going to show you, I have them all listed on my Ravelry page. But this is the palette I'm going to go with. These fall colors came from Dream in Color, and I just could not resist using them. So I've got Tex-Mex, Unimaginable, Petrified Forest, Anything Goes, and Skipping Stone. So really, really excited to cast that on. I've got my needles right here and my pattern right here. It's been so long since I've done a mystery knit along. Oh, probably Marie's Rose City Knit Along back in early 2020. I did that. But it feels like it's been a lot longer. So let me show you the kits we have left. Apologies, they are in plastic bags because that's how they're shipped. And to take these apart would just make a mess. So the glare will be kind of on them. But this is kit J. Love this colorway. Okay, you're going to hear me say that 8 times. Oh, this is kit I. Beautiful purples and greens. Kit B. This is really, really fun. This is a hot pink right here. This is, if that's not coming through, this is like hot magenta pink. And this is D as in dog. And E, this blue-green business here, this is what I had decided to use that I changed my mind and went with that stuff there. So that's E. I love it, though. I really still do love it. I could probably find something else to do with 5 skeins. F. So we've got like a gray blue here, petrified forest into, this is a really good fall one too. This is F. And G, which is really fun. This is like Calypso. So it's not too late to grab a kit if you're interested. They're on our website. Actually, let me play Julia just a quick second and I'll sync a link in so that if you're still looking, it is not too late at all. So here it comes. That. I'll show you one more time. These are my colors. I feel like they are not coming through at all on the screen. But again, I can't ever really tell if it's just my monitor or if it's actually what the color being picked up from you guys that you see. I don't know. Okay, before we go to the giveaway, guess what Julia did, you guys? Julia found, it's upside down. She found the turkey dinner candy corn. And I'm going to try them. I'm going to try them right now. Sandra, the kits are called Westknits. Yeah. Yeah, if you scroll up, Sandra, I put the link in just right up above there. Okay, so yes, I'm going to try them right now. I haven't tasted one yet, but here's the flavors that are in this bag. God help me. Green beans, roasted turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, apple pie, and coffee. So I'm having a feeling that cranberry sauce, apple pie, and coffee are going to be decent. It's those turkey stuffing and green beans I'm worried about. But here we go. Okay, so they're shaped like candy corn, but they are flavors. There's two here that are really similar, just really slight shades different. And I'm guessing this is turkey and stuffing. I don't know which is which. So, oh no, I think I ate apple pie first. Dang it! I thought I was saving that. It should be more obvious. Okay, here's the other brown one. Oh, oh, they're so bad. They're so bad. Oh, I think it was stuffing. Oh my God. I didn't think it could be that bad. Okay. Okay. This is another brownish one. Oh, who makes this stuff? Why? Brach's, why? That was turkey. That was not good. That was like eating the kind of like eating the seasoning packet out of a ramen. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Now I'm really scared that I have green beans. No. Okay, that was the worst by far. That kind of made stuffing taste good. Okay. Oh God, that was so gross. All right, give me this cranberry sauce. Oh, okay. I'm eating Julia's cranberry. Cranberry is really good. God help me. Okay, cranberry's good. I just ate the cranberry I pulled for you. Woo! Palate cleanser there. Okay. There's only one way to finish this, and that's with coffee.
Did you have apple pie?
I accidentally ate it first.
Oh.
I was wrong about the colors.
So it was good then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Coffee. Oh, okay. Coffee's good. There is a lot of coffee in this bag. Coffee's good. That could be a flavor by itself. Okay, guys. I did it so you don't have to. Although I do think this would be a highly entertaining family affair if you were to do this around the table at your November big dinner, if you did that. Woo! Avoid the green beans. By far the worst. Shall we do a giveaway? Okay, first, this is another one of our generous prize donations by the sponsors of the Have a Ball Fall Crawl. And so we have got here an Alexandra and the Art of Yarn mini skein. And you know we love Alexandra. She was one of our dyers for our special crawl product. And then we've got a set of minis from Cornbread and Honey. Pretty little tweety guys here. Very nice. And then we have a full skein of Camp Color, which is a fingering yarn that's 100% superwash merino. So all these three things together is a prize. And now I'm going to okay, hold on just a second. There was some lingering ick in there. Okay, I'm going to make sure my mouse is in the comment area. I'm going to close my eyes and start scrolling. I'm going forward, I'm going backward, and stop. Penny Thompson Berry. Penny Thompson Berry, I am on your comment. Her comment was no green beans. No. Yep, I agree. All right, so Penny, you have won these sets of skeins right here from our generous sponsors. So if you could please email us, customerservice@onanotherhat.com. Send us your address information. We will ship that to you. Okay, thank you, Penny. Next giveaway. You guys are going to go nuts. It's a Knit About bag from Kara with little kitties. How cute is this? And it's got one of her vintage buttons on it. And this great style that's got the flap where you can put your accessories, etc. And then a nice big size that you can put right over your arm. So Knit About bag from Kara. Thank you, Miss Kara. And here we go. I am going to do the scroll. Okay, where did I stop? My mouse was off the screen again. Okay. Where's my mouse? Oh my God, that's 2 times off the screen. I'm trying not to move the mouse. Jen Lewis. Jen! Congratulations! Woohoo! I just got to see Jen. She came on Saturday for the event. So fantastic. Jen, I have your information. I can send this right to you. So congratulations. Thanks for playing along, everybody. Thanks for bearing with me while I tried the most interesting Brach's turkey dinner plus apple pie and coffee candy corn. And if you really want to spice up your fall holidays, you can try it too. Blind taste test. Oh, that could be a fun game, actually. Anyway, happy knitting, everybody. Grab one of those Westknits kits if you want to join us for that fun. And I will talk to you guys on Tuesday. All right. Adios.